Okay, we are on to section B, and this section has very short answer question types of 2 marks. See, so these are the 2 markers, and we are going to solve the complete uh, question number 21. So the first part says it's a function f that is defined from set A to set B. So this function is defined from set A to set B, and the function says that f of x is equal to 2x, and it's given that it's both 1 1 and on 2. So 1 1 means that for every input there is a different output. So let's say this every input there is a different output, for every input there's a different output, and on 2 means that for every y there is an x. That is, there is no element left in B such that f of x is not equal to 2x. For every y there is an x. Okay, now our set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, and if we use this, so f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So that gives us y is 2, and f of 2 is 2 into 2. We are using this function, it's 4, so this is 4. Similarly, for 3, it's 6, for 4, it's 8. So this is 1, 1, and on 2, and it's asked in the question that find the set B. So this function was defined from set A to B. So our set B, so set B is the set of all the elements, that is the range, this is 2, 4, 6, 8. So this solves the part A. Let's move on to part B, for which we have to evaluate sine inverse. Let me do this. Okay, and for part B, we have to evaluate sine inverse. So this is, we have this question, it sine inverse sine 3 pi by 4 plus cos inverse cos 3 pi by 4 plus tan inverse 1. Okay, now this 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 into 45, which gives us 5, 3 by 15, 135. And 135 degree, it does not belong to the principal range minus pi by 3 to 5 by 2. So we will have to evaluate this, and I can write it as sine inverse. This is sine 135 degree plus. Okay, now for cos inverse cos 3 pi by 4, cos 3 pi by 4 is 135, and 135 belongs to its principal range 0 to pi, so this is okay. And this is pi by 4, and tan inverse 1. We know that tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, so this is pi by 4. And now for sine inverse 135, I can write it as sine of 180 minus 45 degree. And now this is 4 pi by 4, which is pi by 4. And sine of 180 is pi, and pi by 45 is pi by 4 plus this is pi. Now this is sine inverse sine of pi means no change, and we are the sine second quadrant, so sine is positive. It's sine pi by 4 plus pi, sine gets cancelled. So this is pi by 4 plus pi, which is pi by 4. So pi by 4 is answer of this part B of question number 21. And now let's move on to question number 22.